Why should you eat at Pollocks in Wilderness? Well, firstly, their food is so good, you'll be eating like an animal. Their pizzas are so loaded with toppings, you'll be comparing sizes. They also do gluten-free bases. Their crumb mushrooms were done perfectly.
I like these. They are nice. They're not watery.
They make their nachos from their pizza bases, which means you can easily eat it with a fork and knife.
Like you can actually cut through it. I know you should eat it with your hands. I know. Full of watching. Like they have table manners.
They have a pickled Eisbein that can be either wood-fired or deep-fried with a bone that just comes out, and a homemade honey mustard sauce.
I've tried to remake it. I can't get it.
The onion rings will have you saying either one of two things.
I can do this.
Or
Is that really an onion?
moi. The hamburger was amazing, but it might make you a Neanderthal.
He's so primitive.
Or you might become philosophical.
The hamburger should be a hamburger. Perfect size. 5-minute break.
Yeah, good time out. Time out.
Oh yeah, while you're waiting for your chow, why not just jam a kiff game of pool? These might be the best chili poppers in town, and the one thing that very much adds to that is this.
Bro, that's wrapped in bacon. That's so true.
Wait for Kali to finish, don't worry. I'll speed up the next bit. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I never mentioned it. This is Kali, this is Zane. You know me, I'm Jax. Thanks for watching Woodcave, and of course a very big thank you to Jamie, Pollocks, all the oats here. We appreciate it. We'll definitely see you guys soon. Cheers!
Don't forget to subscribe and like.
Yes,
Share
like,
all of his
subscribe.
videos. Poke him if you need to.
Bye!
Quick warning, afterwards you might look like this. And this. And this. But would we do it again? Yes, of course.